Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the Texas Tornado match. The King's Court, Jason King, Adam Flint, and their newly found manager Joe Aubrey to go up against the Mad Dog Vinnie Clay and Oliver Peace. And the King's Court has been running riot here in CPW for the last few shows. And the crowd do not like Jason King. Mind you, they probably don't like the King's Court in general. Now, I know Jason King very, very well, as you all well know. He is one half of, well, commentary's top team. He's normally sat here with me on the broadcast table, but not tonight. Tonight he's in his Texas Tornado match. That's even if they're going to compete. They're not dressed to wrestle here tonight. They've come out in shirts and shoes, and Joe Aubrey's come out with a kendo stick, and Jason King has a piñata. God only knows why he's got a piñata on him. Looks like he's asking for a microphone, and oh, he's been given a microphone as well. The King is going to talk, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to that, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to the crowd, the CPW fans. Do you know, I don't think I've ever heard anything quite like that at Jason King. These CPW fans are riled up here tonight. Well, they do, King. That is exactly what they're saying. But I do believe it's a bit of a half and half.
And some of you parents brought your kids to a 15+ show? You shameful bastards, all of you.
Well, that's their choice if they want to bring their children to a 15+ show. Where's Adam Flint going?
Take it away from him.
He's going to take something.
Bring it in here.
Somebody had a sign.
Don't go mouthing off to me after that most of your dads have had the right change.
Well, apparently he's bought the piñata for the fans. Like I said, it's half and half of the crowd here. Some fans like King, and I gotta say the majority of them don't.
On our contract, it says King's Court to appear in Cornwall.
That's what it says.
We've appeared. I give you my fucking word. We are not wrestling tonight.
Oh, well, apparently they're not going to wrestle tonight, which hence that would be the reason why they're in shirts and trousers.
Let alone kiss my ass. Hey, Cornwall. You.
Well, apparently they're not going to wrestle here tonight, but I think somebody else will have something to say about that. comes the Mad Dog Vinny Clay, the man that's got a huge score to settle with the King's Court. And he will not let them walk out tonight with at least having a match here tonight. Believe me, I know Vinny Clay very well, just as well as I know Jason King. And I know tonight he wants revenge. And he is ready for a fight. Not a wrestling match, but a fight, ladies and gentlemen. Mad Dog Vinny Clay. Like I said, he's got a huge score to settle. Oh, he's asked for the microphone as well. Let's see what the Mad Dog's got to say. Well, I'll have to agree with him there. He does like to talk, Jason King. Oh, there you go. See, I told you. Well, I told you he was ready for a fight, and he wants a fight tonight. Well, here comes his tag team partner, Oliver Peace. Now back, way back in August at the 2nd anniversary, it was meant to be Vinny Clay versus Jason King. It ended up being a 2-on-1 handicap match which Vinny Clay lost. And then last time in November, after Jason King coming out in a wheelchair, after he was injured, legitimately, I do give him that. But Joe Overy was the secret member and took Terry out from behind, which made him the newest member of the King's Court. And again, Vinny Clay losing, but tonight he has a tag team partner in Oliver Peace. So it's 2-on-2. Well, then again, Joseph Overy is on the outside, so it could well be a 3-on-2 match here tonight. But this is a Texas Tornado match. Anything can happen. It is extremely unruly. Right here in Bodmin Jail, the sold-out crowd as well, and that crowd is fired up. And here we go! The bell has rung. And the slugfest has started between King and Clay. And Peace and Flint in the other corner. Oh, and there's the chop from Peace to Flint. Oh, there's the slaps from Clay to King. Oh, and there's another chop from Oliver Peace to Adam Flint. And Clay throws Adam right out of the ring. And Jason King, he's on his own now in the ring with Clay and Peace. Here we go! Oh, and the elbow rolls over. And a double hip toss. And the double toss again. Onto Adam Flint. Oh, here we go. Oh, some lovely double teamwork there from Peace and Clay. And now the King's Court rolling out of the ring, trying to gain himself some momentum, realising that it's a fair match here. They could well be in trouble. And now we're back. Now onto the outside. Clay and King. Peace and Flint. It's Clay smashing Jason King into the side of the ring. Oh, hang on, what's he done here? And the Mad Dog has taken off Jason King's watch. What's he going to do with his watch? He's going to smash it. Oh, mate. Ladies and gentlemen, the King's watch has been smashed to pieces by the Mad Dog, Vinny Clay. Oh, look at that. And Flynn was just about to spit some water or whatever drink it was into the face of Peace. He ducks. It goes straight into the face of Overy. And there's Adam Flint with the forearm to the face, and now King taking a little bit more control now on Clay. Adam Flint's taking his shoe off. Oh, it's just threw his shoe at Peace. Using his shoe as a weapon. Like I said, anything can happen in this match. If Vinny Clay wins this match here tonight, he gets his #1 contendership back for that CPW trophy, I believe. Oh, King's just been thrown into the crowd there by the Mad Dog Vinny Clay. And Oliver Peace and Adam Flynn are still fighting on the other side. Slugging it out with each other there. And the Mad Dog now taking it to Jason King. Jason King is down, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, hang on, what's Joseph Overy doing? Joe Overy has just raked the eyes of the Mad Dog. You see, and that's what I mean, ladies and gentlemen, in this kind of match, where you've got Joe Overy on the outside. He's definitely the third wheel of this team, turning this match really into a 3-on-2. He's definitely a factor. And now here to help the King's Court. Now the Mad Dog in the ring, and now Jason King getting back in the ring. And now slugging it out. Those lefts and rights and knees onto the Mad Dog, Vinny Clay. Now Adam Flynn throwing Peace to the other side of the Bodmin jail, and now we're back to this 2-on-1 on Clay again. We've seen this before in the past. The King taking a swig of someone's beer. Oh, and it's just spat it in the face of the Mad Dog. Oh, and there's that drop kick by Adam Flint. And King kicking Oliver Peace in the face and getting him out of the way. Trying to keep it a 2-on-1 in this ring. And the crowd member seems to have got Adam Flint's shoe. Well, he wants his shoe back, so King's gone up to go and get it off that fan. Now Adam Flynn with the knees in the chest. Oh, and now Mad Dog into the corner. Big Jason did retrieve the shoe. Oliver Peace still on the outside, trying to get back in the ring. And here comes Flint with that forearm to the head. Now Jason King hooking him up. Oh, and the knees to the gut. Hooking him up for the suplex. King with the cover. 2, no. And the Mad Dog kicking out. Oh, now Oliver Peace is now in the ring. He's just rolled over King, and Adam Flint reverses it and throws him straight back out the ring. Oh, Jason King and the Mad Dog Vinny Clay. And now King is using that shirt wrapped around his neck to choke him on the rope. Well, like I was just about to say, Mad Dog and King, former champions in other organisations around the UK, and both of them not shy of any goal, but tonight it's in this Texas Tornado match. King got him up now, off the ropes. Oh, and there's the knee to the gut again by the King. Well, like I said, these two are not dressed to wrestle, and they've taken their shoes off and left them on the side of the ring. No wrestling boots, no wrestling gear. Well, they weren't ready to fight. Oh, and there's Adam Flint jumping on the outside onto Oliver Peace. Now King and Clay in the ring. King with a scoop slam. Slamming down the Mad Dog Vinny Clay. Oh, I got a minute. Oh my God, what is this? Joe Overeem's just put a table wrapped with barbed wire from underneath the ring. Now things have just got really, really interesting in this match. I can't believe what we're seeing here. A table wrapped with barbed wire. Oh my God, I mean, I thought we could see everything that's going to happen here tonight. We've seen tacks, we've seen bats with barbed wire, and now we're seeing tables wrapped with barbed wire. This is truly, truly extreme. It's extremely unruly. Oh, and there's another scoop slam by King, who's opening the legs. What's Adam Flynn going to look for here? He's going to look for that elbow. Oh, and there it is, to the crotch. The Mad Dog Vinny Clay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm still thinking to myself, who's going to go through this table wrapped with barbed wire? I pity anybody to go through that table. Throwing Oliver Peace into the corner, flip over, roll onto the middle rope, springboard into King. Flint looking, bit of reversal, a double arm suplex into a moonsault from Peace. Cover 1, 2, no, and Joe Overeem just came in with that kendo stick and broke up the pin. Well, hang on a minute, ladies and gentlemen, Terry, your co-owner of CBW and MC, It's just grabbed that kendo stick from Joe Overeem. What's he going to do with it? Some revenge perhaps. Oh, the low blow. Oh, and smashes him round the back of the neck. Well, I gotta say, well done, Terry. He got his revenge on Joe Overeem. He's out. He is out, ladies and gentlemen. Joe Overeem is out in the middle of the ring. Referee needs to get him out of the ring. Oh my God, and Clay's just smashed Flint over the head with a mannequin, and now he's got a guitar. Oh my God, it's just chaos in this match. Surely not, oh my God! And that strike didn't even break the guitar. He's just smashed that guitar over King's head. The guitar didn't even break. And the crowd want to see it one more time. I think they want to see the guitar break. Oh, and King reverses it. With an uppercut and gets rid of that guitar. He's straight back up like it's never even phased him. Now he's thrown Clay back into the ring. Flint still down, Peace still down, Overeem's out. There's the knee. Oh, there's the backward stunner off the middle rope. 2. Oh, and King kicks out. That was so close to a 3. I think a lot of the fans thought it was 3. I think even Terry's asking, was it a 3? No, King got his arm up. Oh, now Mad Dog, he's looking at that table.
You want the table?
Yeah, we do want the table. Is he going to throw King into the table? Oh my God, hold on. King puts on the brakes. He ducks. Clay moves out of the way. Oh my God! King has just been thrown through the barbed wire table. Oh my God! I can't believe what I've just witnessed! And Clay's pulling him out from the wreckage of that table! On the Citizen K9! 1, 2, 3! The King is dead, ladies and gentlemen! He's got to be! After just being thrown into that table of barbed wire! Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, what a hell of a match that was! Mad Dog, Vinny Clay and Oliver Peace are victorious! But ladies and gentlemen, look at the King, he's out! The King is dead, ladies and gentlemen. Nobody can survive going through a table of barbed wire like that, and then a Citizen K9. Straight to the floor for a 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I'm absolutely speechless. I can't believe what we've just witnessed. But congratulations to the Mad Dog and Oliver Peace. He finally got his revenge on the King's Court. He can leave here now tonight, and he can leave here tonight and think to himself, I finally beat them, I finally took down the King's Court. What a match, what a match. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is a triple threat match. Flash Morgan Webster, Eddie Ryan and Pete Dunne, your WWE UK champion. I'm just absolutely shocked from what we've just had. Congratulations to Vinny Clay and Oliver Peace.